What's up, Fruitful Investors? In this video, I'm gonna talk about my three-tiered investing strategy that I think is the perfect trifecta for ultimate gain. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? Hope you're having a great day. So as you probably know, I started off investing in real estate. That's where I've made most of my money, and I personally think investing in real estate is the best, if not one of the best. I think it's the best investment strategy you could ever do. The majority of millionaires become so through investing in real estate, but I know the barrier to entry is pretty big, especially now in 2021. Real estate in North America, all across, is getting super expensive. So having enough money to get in the market, I understand might be tough. So that's why we can do these other investing strategies. But I'm gonna give you my three-tier strategy that I think is absolutely fantastic and what I'm personally doing with my money. So let's get into it. Number one, I got the low risk segment. So about 60% of my net worth, my liquid net worth, the cash I have on hand, 60% of that is in private lending. So still real estate, not exactly real estate investing like it used to be, where I owned over, I don't know, I think it was like 40, 45 rental properties. Yeah, I'm kind of not doing that anymore. I've sold the majority of those properties, got those gains locked in, and now I'm doing private lending. So essentially, there's other flippers like me, because I'm an active real estate flipper. So other guys like me and girls need money, and I'm lending to them at an interest rate. So super boring. I'm not dealing with tenants, toilets. I'm simply lending. I'm providing a private mortgage for those people so that they can flip the property. They can do whatever the hell they want with it, but they're paying me a nice hefty interest rate, usually 12 to 17% interest on the money. So that's a lot, especially for real estate. I know if we're talking about Bitcoin and crypto, that's nothing. But in real estate world, 12 to 17% is absolutely outrageous. And it's just pure cash flow coming into my money or my bank account every single month. Totally passive, I don't have to worry about it. And it's low risk because the people I'm lending to are accredited investors. They're not beginners. I don't really lend to beginners at all. I lend to only professional flippers like myself. So the odds of them not paying me back is almost impossible, because I can sue them. There is a legal contract which is binded to this. But number two, the biggest one is nobody wants to screw over the fruitful investor, man, because I'll just blast you on social media. So the odds of someone screwing me is just very unlikely. And private lending in general is super low risk, because you are lending to those high net worth, savvy, professional real estate investors. So that's where 60%, the majority of my money is still in real estate, in private lending. Next up, number two, I got the medium risk. This is what I call, well, it's not what I call, it's stock options. So I do a lot of stock options now. I recently got into this about 5 months ago. I had other real estate investors, friends of mine, constantly on me, Matt, you gotta get in stock options, you gotta do this thing. And I was always totally against the stock world, especially the crypto world. There's like, back then I was like, don't even talk to me about this. All I'm doing, man, is real estate, tenants, long-term growth, blah. That's all I was doing. But eventually they were like, dude, the cash flow is crazy. You gotta check this out. I was like, fine, show me this course, show me some videos, show me what you're doing. And then I was hooked after that. Because once you understand the real estate investing business world and just business in general, for me to learn the stock world or the financial world and learning stock charts and how to read markets, very similar stuff. I picked it up very quickly. Once you understand the business fundamentals, learning this stuff is very easy. So I caught on pretty quick, and the cash flow I'm making every single month is absolutely insane. I shared that in another previous video I just recently did. But we're making anywhere between $15,000 now to $20,000 USD a month doing my very boring strategy for stock options, which I'll get into right now. So the way I do my stock options is 30% of my liquid net worth is in stock options. So remember, 60% is in real estate, 30% now is in stock options. And what I do is 2 week to 60-day, more so 60-day contracts. And I'm getting about 20 to 30% return on cash return on those. And all I do is two stocks. I do the S&P 500, so SPY, the SPY ETF, and QQQ. So I'm doing contracts about 60 days out on only SPY and Q, and I'm making 20 to 30% cash return every single month, which is outrageous. I'll go into more detail about like how I do this exact strategy in future videos to come, but I only play with those two stocks, And this is my medium risk. It's not as safe as real estate or private lending, but it's not really too dangerous either. I mean, you can do stock options very dangerously and doing weird stocks and weird strategies, but my strategy is a very, very boring, low risk strategy. You know me, I like boring, I'm a baby, I don't like to lose my money. So that's what I do with the stock world. And number three, the third piece of this trifecta is the high risk category, which is cryptocurrency. So only 10% of my liquid net worth is in crypto. So how I got the 10% was from listening to other smart people like me, Kevin O'Leary, Raul Paul, I hope I said that name right, and all these other guys, BitBoy Crypto, all these other guys who are saying, 10% of your net worth should be allocated in crypto. I know BitBoy Crypto and a couple others will probably say like 50%, but more of the financial guys are saying maximum 10%. So that's kind of where I got with that. Very soon I'll be going more than 10% because the money I'm making in crypto is absolutely ridiculous, because once you learn the stock options world or the typical traditional financial world, S&P 500, Facebook stocks, like whatever, once you learn how to read those charts, reading crypto charts is very, very similar. The only thing is that it's much more volatile, right? So the returns I'm making can be anywhere from 30% a year to 2,000% a year to even more, right? So you're never gonna get these returns in the stock market world, and you're for sure never gonna get them in the real estate world. So that's kind of where I'm playing with that. 10% of my money is in crypto. Let's break the crypto down, like what is the 10% exactly? So 70% of the 10% is in Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the classic one. It's digital gold, it's here to stay. It's more of a store of value. It's just a classic financial asset that's really never going anywhere, not anytime soon, not very volatile in the sense of crypto. So it's just kind of boring, which is what I like. 20% of my 10% on top of that is in Ethereum. So I should put a little bit more into Ethereum. I'm going to soon, because this is where the future of smart contracts is likely going to go. A lot of more platforms are going to be going onto the Ethereum network, especially all the metaverse, or a number of the metaverse companies are going to be probably using Ethereum. So that's my cue that I probably got to buy more. I'm not telling you what to do, but I'm going to buy more for sure. And then the last 10-20% or whatever is split up between Cardano and XRP. So XRP is more of a centralized cryptocurrency. A lot of true crypto people don't want to mess with XRP because it is more centralized, and more of financial bank applications will be used for that. And then Cardano is kind of a safety hedge against Ethereum, because it might be the next Ethereum or a big competitor. So I got a bit into that. So that's kind of my 3-tier strategy, right? Number one, I got real estate or private lending for me specifically. Most of my money is in that. Medium risk, I got the stock options. I'm buying S&P 500, I'm buying QQQ, some pretty boring ass stocks. And then the high risk is crypto. So that's kind of where my money is. Let me know what you guys are doing. If you like this video, if you learned anything, please click that like button and smash that subscribe button for more stock, crypto, and financial market news, and real estate as well. Hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video.